also got a Tao Tao 125. End up putting this muffler on. Stock muffler was bad shape. I bought a different muffler and it was extremely loud. But this one here is actually pretty quiet. Not that I'm against the loud muffler, it's just neighbors. So, and I believe you can take that off, the spark arrestor or whatever. That may not be removable. It looks like it's removable, but it's a Flying Dream muffler. These are all just cheap things. There's nothing fancy about them. I did put a new header pipe, new ignition or a coil. Let's see if I can find it. The racing CDI box. It's hard to see up there, sorry. Went with a 1,200 pound rear shock. This is a 310 millimeter. I'm 230 pounds, so yeah, I'm not some young little kid. So I need something with a little bit more stability. Put a different shifter on. The one that was on there was actually really long. I was having a hard time reaching. And I have size 12 shoes, so I did put just an aftermarket carburetor on there. It's nothing fancy, it's just a cheapie. It's like a $20. It's a PZ 26 style, I believe. I did keep the air loop. I guess some people bypass it. I just, kept it. Did put an aluminum skid plate, breakaway levers. I believe I got those on Amazon or eBay. Yeah, they look nice. Got some cheap grips to match. Little pro taper. Yep, so anyways, just showing off my cheap Chinese bike. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do some more posting. My videos aren't that great, but maybe I'll set it up in the yard and do some action ones, I don't know. But anyways, thanks for watching, and on to the next.